A peaceful spring afternoon in the serene valley of Pahalgam, shattered by the gunfire, soaked in blood. On April 22, Kashmir witnessed not just a terror attack, but a horrifying, cold-blooded religious purge. Eyewitnesses recount a chilling sequence. Armed terrorists attacked a group of tourists, demanding names, IDs, and faith. Victims were separated based on religion. Hindu men were stripped, checked for circumcision. Then came the ultimatum: recite the kalma or be executed. Those who refused were shot. No mercy, no humanity.
तुम भागे और छुपे, आतंकवादी ने ढूंढ लिया। हमें तो टोटल 2 ही दिखे थे। एक ने बोला कि मुसलमान अलग हो जाओ और हिंदू अलग हो जाओ, जेंट्स को बस, और हिंदू वाले जेंट्स को गोली मार दी गन से। हाँ, कलाम कलाम बोल रहे थे आतंकवादी। और मुसलमान बोल रहे थे, मुसलमानों को अपनी भाषा तो आती होगी, वो बोल रहे थे मुसलमान। 3 बार कलाम बोला, 3 बार उन लोगों ने मुसलमान बोला, और जो हिंदू थे उन्हें शूट कर दिया।
28 lives lost, all unarmed. Most were tourists from other states, mothers, fathers, children. Their only crime in the eyes of the attackers? Being a Hindu. This brutality wasn't spontaneous. It fits an all too familiar script: Pakistan's ISI-backed proxy war. The mission to destabilize India, to turn Kashmir from a symbol of peace to a graveyard of terror. It's the same playbook from Mumbai 2008, Pulwama 2019, only this time the target was tourism and Hindu identity. Security experts warn this is a psychological warfare aimed at reigniting fear, disrupting communal harmony, and halting Kashmir's return to normalcy. To these terrorists, a Hindu temple is a threat, a Hindu festival a provocation. To them, killing a Hindu is not a crime, but a commandment. And yet, global media shrinks behind cliches. Terror has no religion. But here, in India, the truth cannot be ignored. This, many are saying, is a religious cleansing. This is jihad. And calling it out is not hate, it's honesty.
एक के बाद एक बयान जो आए हैं पीड़ितों के, कि कैसे कलमा पढ़वाया गया, अगर नहीं आता है तो मार दिया गया, शारीरिक चेकिंग की गई, मार दिया गया, धर्म पूछा गया, आईडी देखी गई और चुन चुन कर हिंदुओं को मारा गया।
This time, India is not silent. Home Minister Amit Shah visited the site, assuring justice. Prime Minister Modi declared every terrorist and their masters will be hunted, punished, and eliminated.
जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी.
India is not reacting with words, but with precision, intelligence, and iron resolve. New Delhi has scaled down diplomatic ties with Islamabad. Military options are on the table. A firm message is being sent, not just to terrorists, but to those who shelter them. This was not just an attack on tourists, it was an attack on India's soul. But today, Bharat stands united. This is a new India, where terror will be crushed, truth will be told, and no Hindu life will be forgotten.